Right now, there are thousands of investors watching videos just like this, trying to figure out why they can't break through in real estate. You've done the courses, you've talked to the gurus, you've even made some offers, and yet you're stuck. Here's the truth. The reason you can't scale isn't because the market is too competitive or because you don't have money. It's because you don't understand the formula that every real estate investor runs on. And that formula is simple: money, people, and deals. Welcome to the channel that flips the script on real estate, money, and mindset. I'm Rob Ragno, and I created Redefine You to do exactly that. Redefine the way you invest in real estate. No fluff, no theory, no trends, just raw, real strategy. And apparently, if you like and subscribe, YouTube will turn me into your personal real estate advisor. So before you waste another dollar on another course or mastermind, there's a link to my free school community in the description below, which includes all the tools, trainings, and the right people you can build with. So let's get into it. Let me break it down like this: money, people, deals. If you're missing even one of those three, your business stalls out. Let's start with money. Most investors think that's the first roadblock, but it's only because they don't know how to position themselves properly. When you understand creative financing, private money lenders, and transactional funding, you realize you don't need a pile of your own cash to close deals. You just need to know how to structure the deal so the money wants to come to you. Now, people. This is where most investors go wrong. They think they can hustle their way to success alone. Wrong. The business is a team sport. You need the right realtor feeding you off-market deals. You need a reliable contractor who doesn't disappear after demolition day. You need a property manager who protects your cash flow. And you need to know how to build these relationships so they see value in working with you, even if you're brand new. And finally, the deal. The truth is, you can have all the money and the people, but if you don't know how to find a deal, analyze it, and lock it up, you're stuck. Most investors don't fail because of lack of effort. They fail because they don't have a system for analyzing deals correctly. That's why you hear me talk about the POP method, where you profit on purchase. If you can't make money on the day you buy it, you shouldn't touch it. And here's how you can use the money, people, deal formula. Step 1, identify your gap. Are you missing capital, missing a team, or missing the deal flow? Don't lie to yourself. Figure out the weakest link. Step 2, build that link first. If you're missing money, start by learning how to position a deal to a private lender. If you're missing people, in your next 30 days should be spent building relationships with wholesalers, contractors, property managers. And if you're missing deal flow, create a buy box and start targeting distressed sellers directly. Step 3, cycle the formula. Money fuels people, people help lock deals, and deals attract more money. Once you run the cycle once, it becomes a flywheel that builds momentum. And here's the kingdom truth behind this. Proverbs says, plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors, they succeed. That's the people piece right there. You can't do this alone. So here's my challenge to you. Drop in the comments which part of the formula you're missing right now. Is it money, people, or deals? Be real and I'll respond and point you in the right direction. So if this video hits you in the heart, do me a favor, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and most importantly, click the link in the description to join my free school community. That's where we give you the tools, the scripts, and the connections to unlock your missing piece and finally get you unstuck. This is how you stop playing small and start multiplying your purpose through real estate. Let's go. I'll see you on the other side.